speaking of rain, we're tracking impact weather heading into the weekend. As our feature track shows, storms will be firing up again tomorrow in a big way. Good evening. Thanks for joining us here at 6 o'clock. I'm Todd McDermott. Let's go right to our certified meteorologist, Chief Meteorologist Chris Martinez. Chris, dry right now. That's going to change.
Absolutely, Todd. Again, over the next 24 hours, back to the active stuff into the late morning. Right now, few and far between are the showers and storms here across South Florida. We go up towards Okeechobee County. One shower, a little heavier downpour up 441 on the way to Fort Drum. That's what we're tracking there through most of the Treasure Coast. You can see a few showers. They pulse up and lose their intensity. There's nothing severe out there this evening. And watching a few of these scattered thunderstorms coming in from Broward County, scooting that southeastern section of Palm Beach County. So we're tracking a little bit of rain shower activity up 441 out towards Lyons, Meisner Country Club, Western Delray, and then back into Boca right there around Palmetto Park, back out towards US 1. So a couple areas we'll be watching, nothing severe, and the heat still continues this evening. Still at 91 Indiantown, 91 in St. Lucie County, near 90 in Okeechobee County. Real field temperatures, heat index factors still feel like 100 on your skin out there as you wrap up your Friday evening. So speaking of the Friday evening forecast, we've got rain chances 6, 7, 8 o'clock. And then after that, warm, humid conditions tonight. Dry time temporarily. Again, we're picking up the chances for showers and storms, all due to a weak cold front that will be working its way in. A look at the showers and storms increasing again late morning, early afternoon on Saturday. Impact weather returns, as Todd mentioned. Gusty winds, some hail. And that trend continues over the next few days. We'll take a deeper dive in the rest of your 7-day forecast, Todd, coming up.